Friends, fire, food, and fun. Time for an unboxing. All right, so let's dive in and see what came in the fall glamping box, Friends, Fire, Food, and Fun. First off, when you open it up, you'll always find a little card to tell you exactly what's in the box. We don't need to review it because we're going to look at all of these things right now. First off, in Friends, Fire, Food, and Fun is this month's drink recipe. The fall recipe is Happy Apple. Get into the fall feeling. It's pretty simple to make and it's super delicious. All you need is some apple cider, rum, a little bit of lemon juice, and it's delicious. So take a look for that and take a look at the how-to video on how to make this delicious drink. Add it to your ring with all of your other Glamping Essentials drink recipes, and you should be growing quite a good collection of things to make at the campsite or cottage. Underneath that, you're going to find your custom Glamping Essentials tic-tac-toe board. It wouldn't be Glamping tic-tac-toe if it didn't have marshmallow roasting stick X's and cool floaty O's. So go ahead, take this to the campsite or the cottage and enjoy tic-tac-toe with your friends and family. Underneath there, you're going to find the most delicious gourmet marshmallows known to man. These are jumbo s'more marshmallows, so they've already got the graham and the chocolate on the bottom, and then they are literally this thick. There's 4 huge marshmallows in the pack in each box, and they come to us from Confection Corner, and they're delicious. You can pop them in the oven, or you can roast them. If you're like, how am I possibly gonna roast that? Keep looking in your fall box. We have included not 1, but 2 roasting sticks from Rattlebass Lodge. These sticks are amazing. They've got a nice wooden handle, a leather cord so you can hang it, whatever you need to do with it. The best part is though, they are telescoping roasting sticks. So they come small, but they go very long, and they've got this 2-pronged fork, which is perfect for your gourmet jumbo s'mores marshmallows. So you can skewer those guys on there and roast them over the fire, and they come out absolutely beautiful. So with 4 marshmallows, we thought you're gonna need more than 1 stick. So we made sure to include 2 in each box. And of course, each stick has its own carrying case. Pretty sweet setup. Thanks, Rattlebass Lodge. Now with all this talk about fire, we thought we better include some of our famous Happy Glamper fire starters. They're super easy to use. All the instructions are right on the front. There's 2 fire starters in each bag, 1 bag in each box. So you've got the chance to make a couple of really easy fires at the campsite or cottage. You can use it in your fire pit, your chiminea, a fireplace, whatever you've got that you need to make a fire. Super easy to use. Follow those instructions and let us know how it goes. So you've got your fire, you've got your roasting sticks to do your marshmallows. You might get thirsty, so we made sure to include our fave, the County Bounty Artisanal Soda Company sodas. There are 2 favorite flavors, so we've got cherry vanilla and blackcurrant lemonade. We know you're gonna love them, so we wanted to include not 1 set, but 2. So there's 1 for you and 1 for a friend. Enjoy. And finally, for a little bit more fun, we also included Parks Canada playing cards. This is the National Parks pack. So on it, you can tour all of Canada's national parks while you're playing Goldfish, Old Maid, Euchre, whatever. And that, guys, is how you're gonna have friends, fire, food, and fun in your fall glamping box. So we would love to hear how these items inspired your glamping adventures. Drop us a line, send us a pic, throw us a video. We would love to hear about it. Thanks so much. We'll see you again soon.